After example 9.2, let us see example 9.3. An object is placed at 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So our mirror is concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 centimeter. So R is given to be to 15 centimeter. R is 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the magnification of the image in each case. So we are given a concave mirror. So this is our concave mirror, and let us draw its principal axis. So this is its principal axis. So we know if this point is C, that means center of curvature. So distance between pole and this center of curvature is 15 centimeter. Since we have drawn this on the left side, this distance is minus. And we have already learned that F is nothing but R by 2. So F is equal to minus 15 upon 2, which is equal to minus 7.5 centimeter. So focal length is minus 7.5 centimeter. So focal length is somewhere here. So let us write this F. This point is P. Now there is some object. Let us put this object at first at U is equal to 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter is somewhere here. So this is our object. So in first case the object is here at U is equal to, this is U1 and U1 is nothing but minus 10 centimeter. In the second case, what we do, we change the distance and now it is 5 centimeter. So this is at 7.5. So 5 is somewhere here. Now this object is here. So this is U2. U2 is nothing but minus 5 centimeter. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the position, nature and magnification of the image in each case. So we have to tell what would be the position, whether this image will be real or virtual, and in third case we have to tell what is the magnification. So first of all, we have calculated the focal length. Focal length is nothing but this R upon 2, that means half of this radius of curvature. So minus 15 by 2, this is in centimeter, that means minus 7.5 centimeter. Now to calculate the distance of object, so we have the formula. What is our formula? Mirror equation, 1 upon U plus 1 upon V is equal to 1 by F. From this formula, what we know, 1 by V is nothing but 1 by F minus 1 by U. So let us put all the value with the sign. So F is in minus, U is also in minus. So let us put this value in this formula. So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 by U. So 1 by U, in first case it is minus 10. So 1 by V plus 1 upon minus 10 is equal to 1 upon minus 7.5. So let us take this on this side. So this will become plus. This will become plus. So 1 by 10. Now after solving this, when we solve this, so what we get? Let us multiply this in denominator. So this will become 75 minus 75, and this will become 10 minus 7.5. So we got 2.5 upon 75, and this is with minus sign. This is with minus sign. Now this is 1 by V. So V is nothing but 75. Of course, minus 75 upon 2.5. So what we get? Minus 30 centimeter. So in that case, position will be at minus 30 centimeter. So this C was at 15. So position would be, so let me clear these things. So position would be at on this line at 30 centimeters. So this was at 15, so somewhere here, but but right now we only know what is the position, but what would be the orientation, that we have to check. So this is the distance when the object is placed at 10 centimeter from the mirror. Now for the second case, we can calculate in similar way for the second case. Now let us calculate the magnification. Now image is 30 centimeter from the mirror. In this case, the image is 30 centimeter from the mirror. Let us apply the formula of magnification. Magnification m is nothing but minus v by u. So we have calculated v is equal to minus 30 centimeter, and there is one minus because of this formula, and u was already 10 centimeter but on the left side, so minus 10. So 1 minus and 1 minus gets cancelled. 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. So minus 3. So definitely this image, so this was our object, this image will be 3 times larger but on the negative side. 3 times larger than the object. So if the height is h, so this would be 3h but on the negative side. So the image is magnified, real and inverted. The image is magnified, real and inverted. So this was the first case. In the next case, u is minus 5 centimeter. So let us solve for this case. The object distance is now minus 5 centimeter. Again, we have the same mirror equation, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. This is our mirror equation. From this equation, we have to calculate 1 by v. Nothing but 1 by f minus 1 by u. Let us put the values. So this is 1 upon minus 7.5. So u is already in negative. So negative becomes positive. So 1 by 5. So let us calculate this. So if we calculate, we get this 5 in positive minus 7.5, and multiplication of these two is 37.5 negative. So from above, what we get? We get minus 2.5, and from denominator we get minus 37.5. So minus minus is cancelled. So this is 1 by v. So v is nothing but 37.5 divided by 2.5. So once we divide, what we get plus 15 centimeter. Now the image is on the right side. So object is placed here and the image is forming somewhere here. So definitely this image, this side is non-reflecting side. So this mirror cannot form image on this right side. So definitely this image is a virtual image. This is not a real image. That's why it is written the image is virtual. Now what is the size of the image? So let us see the size. So to get the size, we have the magnification formula minus v by u. V is positive, so plus 15. There was one sign of this formula, 1 minus, and u was minus 5. So this minus and this minus gets cancelled, and this also get cancelled. So we get 3, positive 3. So in this case, image is not inverted. Image is still in the same direction. Image is not inverted. Image is 3 times larger. So if this was our object, so image is 3 times larger. As before, in the previous case, we also get image which was 3 times larger, but that image was real and inverted. In this case, what we get? Image is still 3 times larger, but virtual, and on the same side it is erect. It is not inverted. So in this case, what we get? Image is erect, non-inverted and virtual. So this was our whole situation. So we had this mirror. In this mirror, In the second case, it was here 3 times larger and this object was at 5 centimeter distance. This focal length was somewhere here. F was at 7.5. First time object was at 10 centimeter distance and its image was 30 centimeter at this point. So this is first case and image in the first case. At somewhere here we got a center of curvature. This was pole. This is the object at second place and this was the image at second time. This was at plus 15. This is minus 5. This is minus 10. This is minus 15 and this is minus 30. Here it is H. It is also H. Here it is positive 3H. Here it is minus 3H. So in this way our images are formed. This is real, this is virtual. So this image is enlarged or magnified, erect, that means non-inverted, as well as virtual. This image is real, inverted and magnified.